It's Accountech Bytes, rounding up the latest in the world of accounting technology with me, Tom Herbert. It's another monster week in accounting tech, so let's get straight into the news. And I led the email this week with news that global accountancy body ACCA has warned members of a targeted phishing email, so a scam email that's been landing in people's inboxes asking for payment. It's actually a well-timed email because it is practice license renewal season. There are a few clues in this email. So they're asking for a tax, which obviously isn't the right term, but as I say, it's coming via a Go Cardless link to trusted sources. We're all human at the end of the day, so keep your eyes peeled. More details on this and everything else in this video are in the description. What's next? So, any accountants who've had their supervisory bodies come down hard on them for AML checks will be slowly shaking their heads at this one. Starling Bank have been castigated by the Financial Conduct Authority for shockingly lax customer checks on new accounts. So this from FT Alphaville, Chef's Kiss for the Peep Show reference in the image. What's next? So speaking of AML, we talked all things supervisors in terms of OPBAS on our latest podcast with myself, Richard Hattersley, and Matthew Ord. We also talked about HMRC's advisory board survey and threw in a bit of e-invoicing in what's possibly the nerdiest podcast out there. So well done for Molly for editing that all together while staying awake. Quick update on e-invoicing from VATCalc, and the Spanish authorities are delaying their e-invoicing mandation till at least 2027 due to technical specifications. And rounding off the e-invoicing chat, my colleague Jake Smith has a webinar with three fine people to discuss what it means for your clients and your practice. So if you're interested, Tuesday the 15th, reserve your spots. New stuff now, and Wolters Kluwer has released a UK bank confirmation and validation tool as part of its CCHI firm cloud platform rollout. So this features open banking to pull in transactions and blockchain technology to store them. So if you're interested in that, do check that out. Sage's dancing accountant Chris Downing has the latest Sage product updates from September, including a roll forward feature in their personal tax product, reduce error feature in their final accounts, refunds on purchase payments in Sage Accounting, and lots more. There's also a video if you're interested. An update from Intuit QuickBooks around importing bank transactions and the ability to change the categorization on those. Aaron Patrick has more in his video. More stuff from Apron now, the accounts payable platform around things like two-factor authentication, the ability to scan and upload sales invoices, easier collaboration with mentions. The updates just keep on coming there. What's next? Counting up. So the banking platform, accounting platform, a few updates from Q3. So they've got new AI-driven fraud prevention measures to protect customers. They have a new solution for limited companies, and they've made improvements to the app. So thanks to Angus for sending that one through. So Validis, this is a audit data company. So they've now launched a smart data engine that ingests and standardizes accounting data from virtually any source, their words, delivering audit-ready data in minutes. And Access, so the mid-market software platform, has announced that it's going to acquire what my accounting technology hero Glenn Martin has called the Go Proposal for Plumbers. So that's trade and field service specialist Tradify, in a deal that could be worth more than 100 million New Zealand dollars, 50 million pounds sterling. And another acquisition for Sage. So they've acquired supply chain specialist Anvil. So Anvil based in New York, and essentially delivering supply chain services to small businesses. So giving them visibility from purchase order creation through to warehouse delivery. Speaking of Sage, so Red IT that develops solutions that allow companies to connect and integrate with Sage and other UK accounting software platforms, has announced that they become part of Kinrock. What's next? AI time. Let's ring that AI gong. And Indicator FL Memo. So the professional services publishing company have unveiled Gen IAL. So it's a generative AI tool designed to be used by tax professionals and business owners. So essentially allowing users to upload contracts or spreadsheets, cross-check that against Indicator's databases, and then you can ask it questions based on the tax treatments. Also on AI, Jake's back and he has an article for you on how to experiment with tech and AI safely. That's part of our special editorial report on AI for accountants, which you can download here. What's also hopefully interesting is my accounting technology email that lands in your inboxes every Thursday. So please subscribe, hit the yellow button. If you're watching on the socials, please like, follow, or subscribe. And if you're at the Accounting Excellence Awards next week, I'll see you there. Otherwise, I'll see you next week. Bye for now.